What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something special, you guys. Something very, very, very special. This is a smartphone gimbal, and this is not just any gimbal, you guys. This is the AI gimbal. You know those gimbals y'all be seeing all over. It's going all over the place on the internet, you guys, where they do like the auto tracking and stuff like that. Pretty cool, right? So we have one here in the office, and this one is from the company XbotGo. They sent this one out for review, you guys. This is not a paid review. I am not getting paid to tell y'all anything. And I tell every company that this channel is 100% integrity. So even if the product mess up, I don't edit that part out. Because time is valuable. If I waste my time reviewing your product and the product don't work, I put it out. A lot of products I did give a second chance, and I uploaded the second chance, and then I referenced that one after the first one mess up. So anyways, blah, 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 blah. All right, so right here we have the XbotGo, you guys. And this one is supposed to auto track you. It can auto track your team. At least that's what they said. So that's pretty cool. And you get a remote with this. And let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. Now, this is pretty cool because I have been seeing advertisements of this, and I was surprised that they actually reached out to me because I didn't reach out to them. So they like the way I do my reviews, you guys. So as soon as you open the box, here you go, XbotGo. You get the instructions, and we definitely going to need the instructions, you guys, because we are going to do a deep dive on this. Oh yeah, and they sent out a tripod, so we are going to unbox the tripod as well. Now, with this comes with a little carrying pouch. So it says charge the gimbal before use. All right, so that's what we will do. But first we are doing an unboxing, and I want to just show y'all that this thing looks so sleek, you guys. So it is very handy. It's not like super big. Okay, I just opened it. I did that myself. So this is pretty cool. So this is my first gimbal, you guys. Never had a gimbal. I do need one because I don't know, my hand's getting shaky now. I'm getting old. All right, so right here you have a little mini tripod. And once again, I'll get into the instructions. Just want to get an out of box experience right here. So here goes your charger, and you get your remote. This actually have a software to it, so you actually have to download the app. When you download the app, you can do a live feed and stuff like that with your gimbal. And I believe that's going through the app. So we will definitely learn more about that once I start doing a little bit more diving into it. I'm gonna do the final little quick overlook. Now you spread this out to put your phone on. All right, what it says here, the direction of the phone camera. So it tells you where to put the phone camera over this side. We will definitely figure out everything. I don't even want to touch nothing yet until I am done charging. But let's go ahead while we unboxing and check out this tripod that they sent in as well. And I will definitely put links in the description. We just want to test this out, the integrity of the product. Oh, this is nice. Regularly turn and then pull out. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Oh, this is not a small tripod. This is a big tripod. This is like a 4-foot tripod. This tripod is not bad. I like this. And I like how you can go from small, like I could put it on here to be a desk tripod, and then I can go outside and let it be an outside trap. Whoa, I can stretch it out more. Oh, I didn't stretch it out long enough. Why am I more infatuated about this tripod? So this is the same height is where y'all at. This is the same height. But the difference between the tripod that y'all on and this tripod is I could put this on the table and make it a table tripod. So There you go. I will catch y'all in a little bit. Let me fully charge this, and then I will get with y'all with the final review. Recording started. All right, you guys. So this is amazing right now. All right. I am with the XbotGo right now. So what you have to do is you have to lift one hand. All right. Now you have to be back like a little far. 5 seconds, and then it will start recording. Now walking around the house, it's actually tracking me. Let's see. All right, so it's been blocked. It's been blocked. I've been blocked. So I'm back in the square box. Let's see if it follows me. All right, so it lost its traction. All right, so it was blocked by the humidifier. I'm gonna see if it can track me again. All right, so I waved my hand in the box, and now it's still tracking me. When I put my hand out like that, when I swing my hand out like that, pass my hand around like that, it's actually following my hand, or it's probably following my shoulder. So anyways, the humidifier right there, I don't want to block it. So this is it, you guys. The XbotGo Gimbal is amazing, you guys. It's absolutely amazing. This is amazing. It's following me. It's tracking me. All right, now, one thing I have to say is that it didn't work with my Google Pixel 7. For some reason, I will try it again, but for some reason, with my Google Pixel 7, it did not want to work. All right, so if you have a 9, 8, I don't know. I can't tell y'all. But right now, I have no lag time. It's following very well, you guys, like very, very well. Now, what's the distance that it follows? I'm about maybe like 10 feet away from y'all right now. All right, 10 foot, 10 feet, whatever. So, and it's still following me. I can plant my flowers. I can do whatever I want to do, water the garden. So if you have blogs and stuff you want to do, the XbotGo is a good auto tracking gimbal, you guys. Very well. All right, very well. Now, all right. So we are in the studio. I had to put 2 hands up. When you put 2 hands up, you have to be in the box, you guys. You have to be in the box. Now I'm about to walk around. Now we are in the studio. Oh, it lost me. Can it pick me back up? Oh, you gotta come out of the blue box for it to sense you again. Oh, that's interesting. All right, didn't know that. So when I walk around, it's tracking pretty good, but sometimes it loses its tracker. I don't know, because maybe it might be the light in here. See, now I'm gone again. And all right, you guys, so we are going to do the final rundown on the tripod, and I want to say that I love this tripod. Now, I will be doing videos periodically on just the different settings on the tripod as far as the software goes. Once again, we was doing a beta. The Follow Me is a beta, so if you see it when it went off on me, just try to take that with a grain of salt, you guys. Don't take that too personal. I wanted to try the beta test. Now, when I go out, I will try the sports mode to where it can track teams and all of that. But unfortunately, my kids' football is over with. I might do some tests on the field, have my son play with the soccer ball with his friends or something. I will try to catch something, all right? But other than that, you just hold the button here, you turn it on. Once you turn it on, it comes in this motion. The arrow there, basically the camera of your phone have to be on the top part of there. Now, if you want to rotate it, you simply hit the button and it rotates horizontal. If you want to go vertical, you hit the button again and then it goes vertical. All right. All right, now if you want to go up and down, you have your little, I want to say little wheel right here. You can go up and down. I'm not going to use the remote, you guys, until I really need to use it. And that's about it. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.